Welcome to Tranquilly Coding. This is our fourth video of the series Mastering TabLayout. In our previous video, we have learned how to use TabLayout with frame layout to do fragment transaction and change between fragments. Now in this video, we're going to learn how to use ViewPager2 and a custom setup adapter to change through the different fragments with more functionalities. So I created this adapter. This is FragmentAdapter. It is extending to FragmentStateAdapter, and the primary constructor here is fragment manager and the lifecycle. So as you can see in here, I set the get item count to 4 because we have 4 fragments, and in the override fun create fragment method, I have used a switch method to switch between different fragment options. So for 0 it is home fragment, for 1 it is security, and so on. And in the else, I will return the home fragment when it is blank. We can just merge 0 and else together, but I keep it this way to explain it to you. So now let's get to the XML part. So in the XML, I have replaced the frame layout with a ViewPager2, as we are all using ViewPager2 instead of ViewPager, so I made it with ViewPager2. People really don't use ViewPager anymore, I hope. So now I have created this adapter passing the support fragment manager and the lifecycle. And then I am just setting the ViewPager adapter to the ViewPager. In here, if we use the ViewPager, not the ViewPager2, we could have set it like this. But as we are using ViewPager2, that's why we cannot set it this way. So what we need to do? We need to add on tab selected listener, and in here, when the tab is not null, we will switch the current position of the ViewPager2 to the tab's position. And in below, we will register the on page change callback, and it will be on page change callback of ViewPager2. And in here we will select the tab at the position where the ViewPager is selected. So what it does, when we switch the ViewPager, it will change the tab, and up top when we switch the tab, it will switch the ViewPager. That's all. So let's test it, and as you can see, it is running properly with clicks and swipe both as well. So this is the good thing about ViewPager and using a custom adapter. So we have lots of different options to choose from and customize our UI accordingly. Thank you for watching Tranquilly Coding. I will see you in the next video.